In this session, we'll have an introduction to how to use the dumpy level. The dumpy level is used very much like the theodolite, which you are quite familiar with by now. In fact, the theodolite is usually used after the use of the dumpy level. Now, this is the setup of what you are going to do today. You are going to find the gradient of the underpass, the line which passes through the eye, the center of the telescope, and in fact it's actually the center of the eyepiece and the objective. We have a crosshair which helps us to identify which this point is. So when you look through the eyepiece and you make an intersection with the crosshair, you are essentially looking through the line of collimation or the center of the telescope. You will keep these leveling staff, which are graduated scales at various intervals, and based on what you see as the reading, you will be taking the level at a point. In principle, the line of collimation, the height of the line of collimation is established, and from that we'll be finding out the levels. For instance, we can call the level, we can fix a fixed reference which is called as the benchmark. Typically, the benchmark is kept as 100. Now, the line of collimation is above this benchmark by the same value as the intercept, which is seen here. For instance, here if it is 2 meters, then the line of collimation is 102 meters from the datum level. The benchmark is at a datum level of 100 from the is at a level of 100 from the datum, and above that we have this 2 meters. So the line of collimation is at 102 meters from the datum level. Now it's a matter of just reducing the other levels. So for instance, if suppose you are getting 2.5 meters as the intercept here, it means the level of this point is 100 minus 2.5, which works to 9.5, 99.5, and so on and so forth. You can find the rest of the readings, and when you are going to find the same overall length, you will be essentially making the gradient, or you can find out what the slope is. Over 30 meters you have fallen 3.5 meters, so what is the slope? This is one of the application of trigonometry also, probably. In any case, this is what we are going to do.